Hi everyone, welcome to another linear algebra tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to find the equation of a plane passing through 3 points. So in this example, we have given an example where we can find the equation of a plane passing through with the coordinates of 1, 1, 5 minus 1, 2, 2, 2, 0, and 3, 1, 0, 4. Let's draw the points on the plane to visualize it. So this is 1, 1, 5 minus 1 here, and here is 2, 2, 2, 0. And here is 3, 1, 0, 4. Now we have these points. We can draw a line to connect these points. So as per usual, we can find the component form of the vector from this point, this and to this, and from this point to this point. Now let's find the component vector of the first. Let's name this point A, point B, and point C. So let's find the component form of the vector from point A to B. Which is, so our terminal point is this, and our initial point is this. Hence, 3, 1, 0, 4 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 1 will give me 2, 0 minus 5, 5. Why? Because 3 minus 1 will give me 2, 1 minus 1 will give me 0, 0 minus 5 will give me minus 5, 4 minus 1 will give me 5. And now, from A to C, is, so the terminal point is 2, 2, 2, 0, and the initial point will still be the same. So hence, we do this. You get 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, 0 minus 1 will give me 1. So hence, we have two component vectors. And now, in our previous lesson, we only put one perimeter. So this time we have to put two perimeters because of two component vectors. Hence, these two component column vectors will be associated with two perimeters. Therefore, the plane will consist of vectors in the set we put, just like a y equals to mx plus c, we put our initial point, and the m is your gradient, which will be this. This is your gradient. So you have a mx for two variables. So initial point is 1, 1, 5, minus 1 plus t 1 1 minus 3 1 plus s 2 0 minus 5 5 where t and s are real values. So as a whole, we found the equation of the plane, whereby the plane consists of vectors in the set 1 1 5 minus 1 and my parameters over here. So this will be like your simple line equation, y equals to m x plus c. So now you have two mx for one first line and the mx for the second line and the c which is your initial point. Hence we have come to the end of this lecture. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment and I'll get back to your comment as soon as possible. Thank you.